In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your layers and Navigator panel effectively. This is an essential skill for anyone working in webflow, and it'll make your web design process more efficient. So let's dive right in. First off, access Webflow's platform by navigating to their website. If you're not familiar with Webflow, it's a robust visual website builder that enables you to design custom websites. You'll need to start by logging into your Webflow account. If you're not logged in automatically, simply click on the Login button, which you'll find at the top right of the Webflow homepage. Make sure you have your login credentials at the ready. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll be able to see all the projects you've been working on. Select the project that you want to organize. By doing this, you'll be brought to the specific project workspace where you can edit and manage your website elements. Organizing your workspace starts here. Locate the Navigator icon within your project interface. Clicking on this will open up the Navigator panel, a powerful tool provided by Webflow to help you manage the structure of your web page. The Navigator helps you view and reorder the elements on your page, making it a breeze to keep everything organized. Once you have the Navigator panel open, it's time to select an element that you'd like to work with. This could be anything from a section to an individual button or image. Clicking on the element in the Navigator panel highlights it visually on your page, giving you a clear view of what you're working on. After selecting an element, the next step is to right-click on it to bring up additional options. Here, you'll want to focus on the Rename Class option. Naming your classes appropriately is crucial for maintaining an organized structure. Clear class names help you recognize styles and elements at a glance, making later adjustments quicker and more intuitive. Remember, using only the necessary font styles can keep your design clean and your load times swift. Throughout this process, maintain a mindset of simplicity and clarity. Avoid unnecessary clutter and redundant elements that could confuse you down the line. By strategically naming and organizing your layers, you'll establish a workflow that is not only efficient, but also more enjoyable to navigate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll find managing your Webflow projects becomes a much smoother experience. Thanks for watching. Remember that practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with your layouts, and soon, organizing your layers will become second nature. Stay creative and see you next time.